everyone, welcome back to another video. This is the painting I did yesterday. I didn't like the way it turned out, look at me. So I scraped it. We're going to paint over this canvas today. And that's the thing, and that's why I say, if you do a painting and you don't like it, you can scrape it off. While it's still wet, just scrape it off and you can just reuse that canvas. There's no point in keeping a painting you don't like, and there's no use wasting a canvas. They cost money, you know. So we're going to try again. I've mixed up some black, which we're going to put down as the base again. Right, and I'm going to just blow this out to cover the canvas. And excuse the sound of the rain, but it has been pouring with rain all morning. In fact, it was the rain that woke me up this morning. It was coming down in buckets, and it was so loud on the roof that it woke me up. So it is a very gloomy, grey, rainy day. So no better time to come into my little art room and do a painting. But it is dark because it's very grey out there. So I've got a spotlight on the painting here, and I've got my flash on the phone. So I hope it's giving enough light that you can see what is going on. But yeah, it is a dark, grey, rainy day today. Alright, here we go. It is now covered. Now what I want to try and do today is keep negative space. And if anybody in this channel knows me, they know that I'm really not good at leaving negative space. But we are going to try. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put some color sort of like that, and maybe up here. Alright, and then on top of that we'll add some more color. Right, and on top of that I'll add my last color. Okay. Alright, and now I'm going to try and blow that out, leaving negative space. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Well, that is very different compared to the paintings I usually do. I must say, it's not bad. Look at it. Now, there's no silicone in any of the colors, so there's no cells that have come up. I don't know. I think I like it. I do. I think I like it. It is very different, like I said, to paintings I usually do. Maybe if I just blow this a little bit more. Well, now I've lost it there. Okay, I'm not going to do anything more. I do. I think I like it. So I'm going to leave it. I'm just going to make sure that, well, of course, all my sides are actually covered from yesterday's painting. But I just want to make sure it is all nicely covered. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I think I like it. So I'm going to hit it quick with a heat gun because there's a couple bubbles. And I am going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. Okay, so here it is. Let me bring you down. It's got some very pretty colors in it. It also does have metallic. I think you can see the sparkles there. The blue is metallic. So there is a little bit of metallics in. And just pretty patterns on it. Some bright colors. And a lot of negative space. Well, everybody, thanks for joining me today as I tried something different. I think it turned out okay. It is different. It is colorful though. So if it dries with these colors the way they are now, I'll be happy with that, because the colors are very bright over the black base, which does look nice. So yeah, if it does dry like this, I'll be happy. I like it. That's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed the video, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think of this one. Is this maybe a technique that you would like to see more videos of? Would you like to see me do more Dutch pours, leaving negative space? You know, and I'll definitely do that. Or do you prefer the Dutch pours I do where I just cover the whole canvas with the Dutch pour? Leave me a comment. Tell me which one you like best. Yeah, I mean, I like this one, but I also like the other ones I do. So you tell me which one you want to see more videos of. There, how's that? And that's it, everyone. I hope you have a great week. I will see you again next Saturday as we do some more beautiful art together. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and yeah, like I said, leave me a comment, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you next week. Bye, everyone.